Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. You can update your app here in this in this blue sign. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.